Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a feature for scrapdivadesigns.com. I will have her information below. She has other social medias as well as a hashtag. Follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. I do have a discount code for you. It's V10, that's VEE10, and that'll save you 10% throughout the entire website. So this is the die I'm using. It's shaped in the word love. It's a mini album. It's called Love Mini Album. It has 5 pieces. You can make a shaker with this. You can also add some layering to the base of the mini album, and it will also punch out the 3 holes on the spine. So this is what I've created so far. Let's get into this mini album, super chunky mini album. I wanted to add more pages. The rings did not allow that. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I did make some tool shakers with the dies. I also added a charm on this chipboard heart piece. I added some pom-poms. The resin hearts are from Amazon. On the spine, I do have these felt hearts. These were a gift, so I couldn't tell you where they came from. I also added some Dollar Tree swirly hearts. So those are from a year or two ago, which I absolutely love. Hopefully they have them available now. I would love to pick some up as well. I added some pom-pom trim from Amazon, some Michaels heart and black and white trim. I added a wood veneer from Dollar Tree. The glittered heart is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the tiger clip. The collection I'm using mostly is the Simple Stories Sweet Talk. So let's get on to the other side of the cover. Here I have 3 hearts side by side, perfect for pictures, as well as some stickers. The stickers are floral stickers, and some are puffy and some aren't. This little heart clip that I made, I love making clips and clothespins, so I did stitch a puffy sticker to that clip. This clothespin is a puffy sticker and it's glued on to the clip as well. So here I have a pull-out piece and it just slides right in and out as well. You can pull it out for journaling or add some small pictures or whatnot. I do have the Be Mine Valentine sticker piece from Michaels, a hello clip from Hobby Lobby. I believe the Sweetie ephemera is a Pebbles piece, but I'm not too sure about that. Okay, so the next page over, I do have a different collection for this. The bright colored hearts are from Michaels, a paper pad. I do also have a handmade paper clip, which I love doing. I added the ribbon from Beadcraft Babe. She had a shop and that was sent to me from her. It's such a cute ribbon piece with white hearts and pink background. I do have a cluster of hearts over here, which it's an older collection as well. I can't remember it. It's at the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember it. Sorry. If I do, I will add it to the description below. Inside this pocket, I do have some journaling pieces, and again, from another collection. These pieces were gifted to me, and so I couldn't tell you where they came from. It's an older collection that came out before I started crafting, so I couldn't tell you. I also have this accordion piece for journaling or pictures. The recipient would have to decide on that. I kept it blank for a purpose. So the cup file for that is a Paige Evans cup file. You can find it on the Silhouette Design Store app, and yeah, check that out. I'll also show you how it looks decorated. So on another page I have it. So here's another journaling piece. It says, "You have my heart." And I added a sticker piece from another collection as well that was gifted to me. So a lot of stuff that I'm using, it's stuff that I have on hand that I have been hoarding, so it needs to go out. So this page I absolutely love. I made an envelope and it's a fold out envelope. You'll see as soon as I unwind the twine, you can add some pictures inside here. I did this one freehand. I also have a handmade paper clip. I just love these puffy pug stickers from Hobby Lobby. They were from a few years ago, so I'm not sure if they have them still. I did also make a handmade pick out of felt. and added it to this skewer piece. I cut that skewer wood piece to size, and so here let's go ahead and see the inside. I just love it. You can unfold it and it says love you more than chocolate. The inside has chocolate, which I thought was perfect for this. So here you can add some pictures here, so 5 pictures in total you can add to just this one page, which I think is very useful of a space. So I also added the love cut out in the background, so you can see that in red. That comes with a die piece, so that's what you get when you die cut out the word love. Adding all my pieces back, I did fail to mention that there is a pocket behind that envelope, even though you can still see what I'm doing here. However, I do want to mention that I also added some stickers on the right hand side of the envelope. So let's move on to the next page. Here we have this page that kind of matches a card that I made. I just punched out some hearts and sewed it to the background. So here is the decorated heart accordion by Paige Evans. It's a cut file from the Silhouette Design Studio. I picked it up there and I glued it to the front of this page here, and as you can see, it's an accordion. I am adding a template to this mini album for the heart, so the recipient can add uh, some pictures. So front and back of these pictures, there's a front and back of this accordion, you can add pictures, and it just ties back down with some twine. I was unable to tie the bow back because of my nails and time with recording or filming, and so I just decided to tie a knot and just leave it as is. I added some stickers to the front. I have chipboard on the right hand side, as well as some other ephemera pieces from another collection that I have no idea where it's from. My apologies. It was before I started crafting, so I'm not sure which collection. So on to the next page. I just love this die cut here. It's a rainbow, and you can add journal pieces there. It is a rainbow die cut card. This one came from Amazon. I believe it's KS Crafts. However, I'm not too sure, but I'm going to link it below. I picked it up from Amazon. I also added a journal piece here with a heart paper clip, and this is a pocket as well. I'm using sheet protectors to make this pocket see-through. I just loved the patterned paper in the back with the sky and the airplane along with the flag. So another accordion here for more pictures. So many pictures can be added to this mini album. It's such a micro mini album, and as well as it can hold tons of pictures as well. I wanted to make it so the recipient can add a lot of pictures. There are 2 pockets to this page because I did machine stitch a line down the right hand side of the page to add the extra pocket to hold that accordion as well as that journal piece. So I just love the rainbow. I love the theme of this page as well. It's a shaker. Using that as a journal piece would be amazing as well. You can even add small circular pictures around the rainbow on the inside, which would also look very lovely. So on to the next one. I decided to go with the embroidery stitching. I did use a Paige Evans tutorial for that. I will have that linked below, but definitely went in and started doing that on those stickers, but I just left that page as a decorative page, no pictures added. So here is a paper clothespin that I made. I love making my own clothespins and paper clips. I just love it. So here's the template for the square, and I just added it to this handmade paper clip as well. So this is an accordion, not an accordion, a flip style tags. I added some brads. Those sunglass heart-shaped brads are from a personal swap that I was in with Geneva. I will have her linked below. And so I also made these pages using a tag punch gifted to me by Becky Long. I will have that link below as well. I just love how it turned out. I wanted it to be like a cascading tag page. And so you can also add so many pictures to this page as well. And in the end, you'll see that I do add, there it is, some ribbon to tie it all in. And I just love how it just flips up. And that's the end of the mini album. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. I just love all of the decorative pieces and the interactiveness of this mini album, and I hope the recipient does too. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.